top 3 China cryptocurrencies. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be looking at top 3 Chinese coins that can do really well in the near future. Also, guys, I'll be sharing with you my technical analysis and price prediction. So the reason for making this China-based top 3 videos this month is because China's Xi has come out embracing blockchain and is boosting the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin sentiment. We've had a huge burst in Bitcoin, and some of the altcoins could be following. So it's a great moment to get into cryptocurrencies and altcoins. And obviously, guys, you have to be careful, because if Bitcoin breaks out, altcoins might not do well. But I've been sharing with you some of the altcoin videos if you subscribe to my channel. And also, guys, if you're a part of my educational group, I've provided exact signals of entries and exits of where I'm looking to buy and where I'm selling. Especially the Neo trade has gone really well. So if you're interested in a full cryptocurrency trading course and signals, you could check out my group. I'm only doing it for another 2 months, this live crypto educational course. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first coin that I'd like to talk about in this video is Neo. So in this video, guys, I'll be sharing with you quickly the fundamentals about the coin, and do what I do best: technical analysis and price prediction. So if you guys have been followed me, I've been making videos for over 2 years. One of the coins that I used to like a lot was Neo. Neo hasn't really worked as well for me. It has been in a massive downtrend, and fundamentally there's not been as much going on as I would have liked. From trading it, I really liked it, but longer term chart looked really bleak until this move we've seen. I don't think we've seen a move like this since back in 2017, early 2018. So it is really good to see. It's positive from a technical point of view. But fundamentally, so what is Neo? Neo is a Chinese based coin, and it used to have a different name. Now it's called Neo, and since its inception, Neo's on-chain technology is designed to be regulatory friendly with centralized approach that is quite different from most other cryptocurrencies. That is why I was interested in it. It used to be known as Ant Shares. Now in June it was rebranded as Neo. Neo aims to automate management of digital assets through the use of smart contracts, with an eventual aim of building a distributed network-based smart ecosystem. Digital equivalence on Neo platform. Neo theoretically describes its smart economy system as digital assets, digital identity plus smart contracts equals smart economy. Assets can easily digitized on Neo blockchain in an open, decentralized, trustworthy, traceable, transparent manner that is free of intermediaries and their associated costs. There's a few other players in this market as well. So Neo is not the only one, but with China's backing potentially, and if they can deliver on what they're aiming to do, Neo can do very well. So Neo is a non-profit, community-based blockchain project that use blockchain technology and digital identity to digitize assets, a smart contract for digital assets to be self-managed to achieve smart economy with distributed network. A little bit of history on Neo: was founded in 2014 and was real-time open source on GitHub in June 2015. Since its inception, the Neo team has experienced the upsurge and trough of blockchain industry and the frenzy and cooling of digital money market. We believe technology drives progress, and together we can create the future. Motivated by this, Neo has been created to shift our traditional economy into a new era of smart economy. So you can see what Neo is trying to do, and is trying to comply with the regulatory as well. It's also looking at entering on chain. An independent technology company that works with necessary financial and legal frameworks and provides blockchain solutions to various enterprises. So with China embracing blockchain, it could be great news for Neo. Again, I'm not going to spend too long talking about the fundamentals. It will be a half an hour long video. If you're interested in it, comment below, like below. I might do a full research on Neo, and Neo is something that I like. I've looked into their white paper. It's a coin that I really like. If I read this, there'd be a lot of just talking about digital and decentralization, and people might not understand it. If you want me to make a detailed video, like and comment below. I'll look into making a detailed video on Neo. I'll quickly talk about this little bit because I thought this was interesting. With what they're trying to do with on-chain is trying to actually work with the Chinese government. So on-chain has already received an endorsement for DNA from the government of Yonggang, the capital of Zhengzhou. I don't know if I pronounced it right. Both parties jointly released smart contract 2.0 and other Chinese blockchain technology in early 2017. On-chain was among the first batch of companies that successfully passed the Chinese blockchain test, which was followed by an investment partnership with Fusion Group, despite China's recent tightening of its grips on cryptocurrencies. So now with China opening up to blockchain more, this could be good news for Neo. Again, I'm at the moment still trading it, but if it does, I'll come into my technical analysis in a bit. And another news that I wanted to share with you is Neo's been listed on Binance USA. Again, I'm not from the US, I trade on Binance International, and that's the main exchange I use. I believe in the US it will get more volume as well, so it's always good to be listed on those exchanges. So let's have a quick look on the technical analysis part. So Neo has been on a massive downtrend. Since then, out of nowhere, this big bull move came, and I had sold my Neo a while back, but this bull was good to see. I haven't bought a longer term position yet because I missed this longer term entry. I have taken few trades in Neo, and I've shared exactly, like, I'm quite transparent. I take winners, I take losers. Neo is up 10% from where I shared the signal. Some people profited from it, and you can go back and scroll back and see exactly where I said I was going to buy. So these are some of the two trades I take, and this strategy that I used to buy this is explained in my full live crypto educational course. And it was a pullback strategy. It went a lot higher than I expected, and I took some off here, and I took two scalp trades last night as well, using, I think I've got a free strategy video on YouTube, and you'll find out exactly why I took these scalp trades if you go back and watch those videos, especially this one. This was a really nice entry, and you can watch my scalping videos and day trading videos and understand why I took that trade. So what would I like to see Neo do now? I'd like to see Neo get above that red zone. You can take trades into that red zone, but if Neo can get and stay above that red zone, I will be very bullish on Neo. It's the 50% level, it's the 236 long-term level. If you remember watching my Fibonacci video, I'm a Fibonacci ninja. I use a lot of Fibonacci, and I explained this video why it's so important, especially the 236 level in the cryptocurrency market. So if it gets above the 1300 level against Bitcoin, I will be very interested in buying Neo. That's the first coin I wanted to talk about. And the second coin I'd like to talk about is, again, I wasn't sure whether to include this or not, because this is a massively hyped coin, and I don't know fundamentally how far they'll go, and I don't like coins that are just pumped so much by Justin. They seem to be doing some stuff. I've spoke to a few people, and they say, look, they're actually doing some work in the background, but the way they try to always hype it up is something that I don't like. Nevertheless, it's a big Chinese company. They've been, people talk about them a lot on YouTube, sometimes too aggressively, but some of the government agencies have rated them quite well, and you can see Neo is on that list as well. And they're a really hyped coin. Whenever something, even if they make a little progress with the hype, Tron can pump massively. So, and Tron, I've been making videos on Tron recently, and again, I'm not just saying sign up to my group. You can make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I made this Tron breakout video 2 weeks ago, and Tron has been another coin that's been really interesting. As you can see, it's been an uptrend. If you had bought when I made those videos, you would be in some money. If you want the exact entries and exits, you can check out my group, but make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to stay up to date. I'm really interested in Tron as long as it stays above this 200 hourly average, moving average. It had a fake sort of breakout, it's pulling back. If it breaks below this and when it goes down, I won't be interested, but if it can get above and stay above this, I will be really interested in Tron. I'm not going to talk too much about Tron fundamentally, because a lot of subscribers love Tron, so I've been making lots of Tron's video, and I talked about Tron. I've covered it, news, updates fundamentally, so you can go watch those videos. Just news wise to update, John McAfee to integrate Tron blockchain in MathDex on November the 8th, so that's a bit of a news. John McAfee is another hype guy, so you can understand that why Tron is such a hype coin. And Justin Sun is doing his best to pump the Tron Samsung partnership. So that is actually a positive news as well. I'm not just saying it just is hype. It is good to see what Justin Sun is trying to do with this. So I am actually interested in that as well. So that's another reason to be looking to buy Tron. But please be careful, guys. It could be a buy the news, sell the news event. Tron has already pumped. How much has it pumped from the bottom? 73%. I like to trade when things are going down. I don't like buying coins when they're up so much, but there's still room to go up. If Tron can get above 236 level, it could be a longer term trend change. The weekly 20 moving average is capping Tron now, so I really wanted to see it above this green zone. But I think there will be another pump in Tron coming, at least a mini pump. If it can't get above previous highs, then I probably won't hodl, but I'm going to look to trade, and I'll share with you the signal. Like I said, guys, if Bitcoin keeps consolidating, it could be an opportunity of a lifetime to be trading at the moment, especially altcoins. So invest in yourself. Again, you know, you can learn from my educational course, so invest in yourself, because if altcoins pump like they did back in, again, I'm not saying it will, even if it pumps half as good, it could be a life-changing opportunity. So make sure you guys are educating yourself. So that's my second coin. The last coin I want to talk about, this coin is also on this list of Chinese coins. It is called Ontology. This is another coin that loves to pump. I've made videos about Ontology in detail. It's a similar coin to some of the interoperability coins. It also has links to Neo, so that's another reason, you know, to like this coin. Ontology was created to provide interoperability between blockchains, since business would not want to populate all their information on public blockchain. With Ontology blockchain, they choose what to keep private and what to open to their competitors. There's a bit of a history on Ontology. Ontology was born in 2017 by Onchain. You can see the links of it already. Airdropped Ontology tokens earlier on his host platform, Neo Blockchain. Ontology platform introduced unique consensus or algorithm. You can find out more about it. The two coin system, which is kind of makes Ontology quite an interesting project to me. It has its two native coins, ONT and ONG. The functionality of the two tokens are different. I've made videos discussing this, so you can go check them out. And I recommend, if you're interested in trading them, you probably don't need to know all the fundamentals around it. If you are looking to invest in it, you should be reading the white paper, researching their team, and researching everything. I'm trying to give you guys an overview on the technical analysis and why I'm interested in them. If you want detailed videos, let me know. I'm happy to make them as well for you going forward. So I'm just gonna give you the key important bits of why I'm looking at Ontology. There's news-wise, I've not really found that much news come out in Ontology. From longer, so recent news-wise, I did look up for Ontology news. Like I said, I found news on Tron and some news on Neo, but for Ontology there's not too much news going on. So I do follow them on Twitter, Reddit, and lots of the news, when you Google it, it comes up with news of being listed on exchanges or price going up, which is not really something you want to see. What I would like to share with you guys is Ontology's global research team is something that they're looking to do, so that is a positive for Ontology going long term. Understand the responsibility of to foster the future of blockchain. Ontology wants to be an instrumental in the growth of the industry. Team began this long-awaited global university workshop. So the team behind it and what they're trying to achieve is quite interesting. It's just like most cryptocurrencies, which one will stand there, which one will be unique enough and have a unique proposition to actually grow. So that is what we like to see, guys, in an Ontology. And some of the future developments I'd like to talk about is it's been working with Neo to create an open cross-chain platform for next generation internet. Since July 2018, they've been working on this project that would allow them to introduce an efficient, inclusive interoperability protocol that is based on both parties' leading positions in the market. And this is something not just Neo is trying to do or Ontology is trying to do, A lot of the cryptocurrencies are trying to do this, and if they can deliver it, and especially with China's openness with blockchain at the moment, this can be huge news. So please do have a look at these 3 coins, and don't just buy because I'm telling you to buy it. Please do your own analysis and own research. If you're investing, you have to do a lot more research than just watching these videos. If you're trading, you can use my strategy, practice it, and look to trade it. So Neo is Ontology is looking similar to Neo. Where I would like to buy Ontology is if it breaks out above, you can take a short trade. Make sure it's not a fake out. If it is a fake out, you have to cut quick. A short-term trade could be coming up here. It's potentially forming a higher low. And if it does break out, I would be interested in it. From a longer term point of view, I would like it to get above this daily 200 moving average. If it can get above it, I will be interested. So this would be sort of the zone. This will be a big resistance point for Ontology, the 236 level, daily 200 moving average, previous highs. If it can get above these levels, I would be very interested in Ontology. Ontology is a coin that loves to pump. You can see even back in 2018, it's had some really big pumps. So make sure you keep Ontology in your mind, because Ontology is a coin that loves to pump. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos like this or a detailed fundamental analysis, I've done a couple of them for a few coins that you like. Comment below and I'll make those videos for you as well. If you're interested in a live trading course, 2 months is left on this, and I'm not sure if I'll do this again because the amount of time I have to put in. Make sure you check this out. I'll leave the links below. Also guys, I'm doing a live stream tomorrow, Sunday UK time. You can request coins from me using this free Facebook group I've got a huge coin list already this week for tomorrow, and I do some live trading as well. So make sure you join. I'll leave the links below. You can join it so you get notified, and make sure you turn on the notification button so you're notified. So thank you very much guys. To finish this video, my question to you guys is, what is your top coin, top Chinese coins, or top coin in general? Comment below top coin and the coin name and a couple of words of why you think that's the best coin. So comment below your predictions for top coins. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.